From the streets of St. Petersburg, Florida, it's live coverage of IZOD IndyCar Series practice session number 3 on IndyCar Radio. Great to be joining you once again. Of course, the run for the newly established Verizon P1 Award gets underway with knockout qualifying for the IZOD IndyCar Series drivers starting at 1:40 this afternoon Eastern Time. Hope you're going to be with us for that right here on IndyCar.com, IndyCarRadio.com.
Early on in this session, Tony Kanana's P1. His KB Racing teammate Simona Di Silvestro was among the top 5 all day yesterday. She's currently P3. James Jakes is P2. Then Marco Andretti, then Sebastian Bourdais, the top 5. A lot of teams still getting out, still getting up to speed.
It is overcast, and we've got 2 cars in the runoff area in turn number 8, one of them being the 18 of Anna Beatriz. The other one...
Joseph Newgarden.
Yeah, is Joseph Newgarden, the 67 Sarah Fisher Hartman racing machine. Mark, does not look like there was any contact made with each other or with the tire barrier.
Hunter Ray taking a look at Ed Carpenter, and Hunter Ray was awfully fast yesterday. Those guys were real happy with their car. Actually, the whole team was pretty fast yesterday. So Hunter Ray feels like he's got a pretty good shot at the pole here, hometown.
We got a problem, Jake. That's EJ Vizo on the Bayfront straightaway. Has made contact, and Mark, that's
an odd place for contact, Mike.
Really is, but you can see he made it way up the track. It looked like in the kink.
Through the dogleg,
Yep, and so...
just prior to the Mahaffey Theater.
Well, we exactly don't know what part of the car failed, but something did fail. I believe that maybe the arms in the steering or in the front suspension in the right-hand side.
It has been a busy session. It is very difficult to get a clean lap. Will Power right now at a minute 1.7386. So in his last 2 laps, Will Power has trimmed about 2/10. Takuma Sato, Mark, as you mentioned, he goes to the top this past lap at a minute 1.5293. So Takuma Sato, who yesterday afternoon was impressive. Right now, Taku, you just heard Larry Foy talking about him, and there he is on pit lane on the big screens, the number 14 car. Will come back to pit lane as the quickest driver in this session, Mark. Right now, he is 2/10 clear of Will Power. The transition from the asphalt to concrete, not particularly smooth, but then again, Mark, that is the MO of street course racing. That's why this type of racing is so particularly challenging.
Yeah, no question, because as an engineer, in terms of setting it up with your driver, look at how many different types of services you're having to encounter in a little over 1.8 miles on this course.
Well, this session is over. The checkered flag is out, and Takuma Sato with Honda Power is going to wind up P1, not the quickest lap